Very good. So, welcome to your own channel, Being Learners. Good evening to everyone. So, as you see the thumbnail, we will discuss some important questions of metal and non-metals. This is very important chapter for All India Sainik School examination, entrance examination for class 9th. Yes, Vishwendra Gurjar. Hi, hello. Good afternoon. Rishikesh Prasad, good afternoon. Okay, as you know, the metal and non-metal, chapter number 4, class 8 science. This very important chapter. I expect everyone has already completed this chapter. That's why we are doing questions. So in YouTube live we can only do the question answer session, and if you need any clarification or any discussion, we can discuss in Zoom classes. Already Zoom classes are going on from 8 to 10 p.m. night, that is paid class. So we will discuss in that class if anything remaining from here. If anything left from here, we will discuss there. Okay, so in metal non-metal you have to study about the properties of metal and non-metals, both properties, and what are those elements which are categorized in metals. So some properties of metals are having non-metals also, and some non-metal properties are consist of metals. Okay, so metal consists of non-metal properties and some special non-metals consist of metal properties. So that questions only they are asking. What is exception? Okay. So we will start now. Question number 1. We will start from question number 1. Which of the following is not a metal? So in these 4 elements you have to check which one is not a metal. Copper, aluminium, sulfur, iron. Yes, we already started. Just send me the answers. Okay, Mr. CAQ. Mr. CAQ is saying B is the answer. Aluminium is metal, my dear student. How you are saying metal is a non? Metal is aluminium is metal. Aluminium wire you have seen. You have seen aluminium wires, copper wires, iron. These all are metals. These all are metals. The non-metal is sulfur is the non-metal. Okay, this is yellow color metal, non-metal. Always you can find it in a form of powder. Okay, Dina, very good. Sangarsh Patel, very good. First B. Sulfur is the non-metal here. Amongst the 4, sulfur is a non-metal. Okay. Now question number 2, we will check the substance that will be flattened on beating with a hammer. So what is this property called? What is the name of this property? What is the name of this property? Anyone can answer. What is the name of this property in which if a substance is beaten by hammer, then it is flattened without breaking? What it is called? What it is called? Yes, Dina, tell me what it is called. What is the name of this property? Yes, malleability, very good, Mr. CAQ. Malleability is the property of an element, or you can say it's a property of metal by which if we hammer any metal, it will get flattened. It will not break. This is the property of metal. So which of these four options is a metal? Piece of coal or crystal of zinc, lump of sulfur? C. Coals are found in the form of pieces. Iodine can be found in the form of crystals. Sulfur can be found in the shape of lump. D is the correct answer, as Mr. CAQ is saying D option. Sangharsh Patil, malleability, yes, malleability, correct. What is the correct answer here? Which of the element has this property? A, B, C, D. A is iodine, B is sulfur, C is coal, D is granule of zinc. Yes, 2D. Yogendran is D. Yes, very good. Those who are saying D is the correct answer, because zinc is a metal. Okay, zinc is a metal, and if you beat it by a hammer, it will get flattened. It will not break. Okay. So next question is which of the following is a non-metal? Iron nail, copper plate, aluminum wire, piece of coal. It's very easy question. Anyone can answer. Iron nail, copper plate, aluminum wire, piece of coal. Which is non-metal? Yes, it's 3D is the correct answer. I will not take more time because this is very easy question. Piece of coal is a non-metal. Yes, everyone will give correct answer. Very good. Now next question is which of the following is not a ductile material? Yes, which of the following is not a ductile material? Ductile means ductibility. What is malleability? The malleability just we have discussed now. What is ductibility? Which element is ductile? What happens to the ductile element? If any material is ductile, what will happen? Yes, if anything is ductile, we can stretch it to make a wire. If you stretch anything, it will break, but having this property, ductility, ductile property, if you stretch that element, that will become a wire. So here 4A, Sangharsh Patil, just check the answer. Whenever I am giving this type of questions, I always say just check the question. It's not asking which is a ductile material, it's asking which is not a ductile material. Okay, Sangharsh Patil, just be careful. Yeah, now you are correct. Yes, draw into wire. Ductility means drawing into wire. If you stretch it, you can draw it into a wire. So there is a silver wire, there is a sulfur, there is a copper wire, there is aluminum wire, but you cannot find sulfur wire. So sulfur is a non-metal and it does not carry the property of ductility. So here answer will be sulfur. Next question we will see. The next question is which of the following metal is an exception and can be cut with a knife? Which metal metal has a property that it is hard, very hard, but some exception is there. In everywhere we have some exception. So one exceptional metal is there which can be cut with a knife. So soft it is. You can cut with a knife. So which metal is that? it is categorized in metal but have property of non-metal, that it can be cut with a knife. Yes, 5D, magnesium. Somebody is saying magnesium, Sangharsh Patel. Mr. CAQ is saying sodium. Yogendran is saying sodium. Sangharsh Patel is saying 5D, magnesium. Sodium, sodium, sodium. Deena is saying sodium. Yes, sodium is the correct answer for this question number 5. Sodium is the correct answer. Sodium is the metal. Okay, sodium is so soft that you can cut into a piece by your knife. You can cut it by knife. Yes. Sodium. Anybody can tell me the answer where we use sodium? Daily life use of sodium. Where we use sodium in daily life? In our daily life, where we use sodium? Anyone can answer. And what is the disease? What is the common disease nowadays which is related to sodium? What is the common disease? Common disease due to sodium. Yes, answer please. Where we use sodium in our daily life? Plants to eat sodium. Plants to eat. No. In our kitchen we use sodium. What is the name of that item? Yes, very good. Vishwendra Gurjar. Salt. Salt is a sodium. What is the chemical name is? NaCl. Na is the sodium and sodium chloride. NaCl, sodium chloride. So that is salt. And which disease is common nowadays due to the sodium? Which disease? Which disease is very common nowadays due to the sodium? Salt, Sangharsh Patel. Yes, this is salt, NaCl, sodium chloride. Yes, tell me which disease is caused due to sodium? Disease name of the disease is hypertension, blood pressure. Blood pressure increases due to increase in, if you take more salt in your meals, food, then it will increase your blood pressure. So blood pressure increases due to this sodium. Okay, now we will see the sodium is the correct answer of 5, question number 5. Now question number 6. Which of the following metals is in the liquid state at room temperature? That was the softest material, soft metal, that was sodium, that was soft material. Now there is one material that categorized in metals, but it is liquid in room temperature. Room temperature is what? Whatever is the temperature of your room is the room temperature, means normal temperature. Room temperature. Yes, good evening, Vimla Kumar. Yes. What is the? Yes. There is a metal which you will find in liquid state at normal temperature, that is room temperature. Mercury. Yes, who will tell the symbol of mercury? Symbol. chemical symbol? Who will write the chemical symbol of mercury? Yes, mercury is the correct answer, but who will write the symbol of mercury? Like aluminum is Al. Silver is Ag. Yes, Hg. So why it is Hg? Why not Mu or Mc? The name is mercury and the symbol is Hg. Why? Why the symbol is Hg? Why not Mc or Mu or from M? Why it is Hg? Yes, Hg is because its old name was Hydragarum. Hydragarum. Okay, Hydragarum. Hydragarum. That's why H and G. This H and this G is the short form. Hg is the symbol of mercury. Hg. Okay. Like that only. Made of hydrogen. Yes. Hydragarum. Okay, next question. We will see the next question. Question number 7 of metal non-metal. Question is, metals generally react with dilute acid to produce hydrogen gas. Which one of the following metal does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid? What is hydrochloric acid? H2SO4. Hydrochloric acid. Sorry, this is sulfuric acid. Hydrochloric acid is HCl. Okay. Which one of the following metal does not react with diluted hydrochloric acid? Means HCl. Hydrochloric acid. Which metal does not react? Which of these following metal does not react with dilute HCl? 7 answer is Sangarsh Patel. It's B. Yes, very good. Who is this? Harsh Tyagi. Yes, very nice. Because its Latin name is Hydragarum. Yes, that's why its symbol is Hg. Very good. Yes, Mr. S, Mr. CAQ, it's D. Aluminium. Arsh Tyagi is saying aluminium. Aluminium reacts. So correct answer is D. What? Copper. Copper does not react with diluted acid, diluted hydrochloric acid. Okay. So it does not react with acid and does not produce hydrogen. Okay. Now question number 8. Which of the following reacts with cold water vigorously? Means very fast. Cold water. Yes, anyone? Mr. CAQ. What's your name, Mr. CAQ? 8 is sodium. Sangarsh Patil by Vishwendra. 8B sodium. Carbon. Arsh Tyagi is saying carbon. Carbon, you have seen carbon react with cold water. If you mix carbon with water, it will not react. Correct answer. Deena is saying B. Yes, sodium is the correct answer. You are right. Sodium, you know, sodium NaCl, sodium chloride. So if you mix with water, it gets disappeared. It mixes with water very easily. Okay, so sodium is the correct answer. Now we'll see question number 9. The metal which produces hydrogen gas on reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide solution. Which metal produces hydrogen with hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide? Yes, sodium hydroxide. What is sodium hydroxide? It is caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. NaOH. Sodium hydroxide. This is caustic soda. It is called caustic soda. So which metal will react with it? Yes, aluminium, copper, iron. Which one? Yes, iron will react. Iron will react with both hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide. Okay. Muhammad Anas, Mr. CAQ. Okay. Anas. Yes, iron is that metal which can react with hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide, NaOH, caustic soda. Okay. Correct answer is iron. Aluminium. No. Aluminium is not the correct answer. Sodium is also wrong. Copper is also wrong. Copper does not react. Copper does not react either. Copper does not react with hydrochloric acid. Okay. So next question is, which of the following non-metal react and catches fire on exposure to air? Whenever it comes in exposure to air, it catches fire. Which one? So this element, which of the following non-metal react and catches fire on exposure to air? It reacts with oxygen. Okay. So we cannot find it in its real state. Why? Because whenever it comes in exposure to air, it will react. So how you can find it in original state? You cannot find. You can find in it with reacted with anyone. Okay. So it's phosphorus. My name is Naqib. My name is Naqib. Phosphorus. Okay. So phosphorus is the metal, is a non-metal which reacts with oxygen when it comes in exposure to air. So you cannot find it single. Okay. You cannot find it in its free element state, means original state. So where we use phosphorus in manures, it is very beneficial for the plants to grow. Phosphorus, nitrogen. Okay. So this reacts. This you can find in, these are two types: red phosphorus and white phosphorus. Two types of phosphorus are there. Mohammed Nawed, dilute state. Nikhil Patak, I want to give super chat. Super chat is not active still. Okay, now question number 11. Solution of which of the following oxides in water will change the color of blue litmus to red? Solution of which of the following oxides in water will change the color of blue litmus to red? Blue to red. B to R. So which type of solution will change the color of blue litmus to red? It will be acidic. Okay. If the solution is acidic, then it will change from blue to red. BRA. Just remember these letters. BRA. Blue to red with acid. And just opposite, red to blue is base. Basic solution. Basic means the solution of base, acid and base. Okay. For acidic solution, the color of blue litmus will change to red. If you put this litmus test in acidic solution, it will get red. And if you put red litmus in basic solution, it will get blue. So RBB. Once you remember this one is opposite of this one. So you have to just remember BRA. Blue to red, it will be acidic. So you also know that the metallic oxides are base. Okay. Metallic oxides are always base and non-metallic oxides are always acidic. Non-metallic oxides are acidic, metallic oxides are base. So here you can find all three R's. Sulfur is a non-metallic oxide, so it will be acidic. Okay. Magnesium is metal. Magnesium oxide will be basic in nature, basic oxide. Iron oxide will be basic, copper oxide will be basic. So answer will be here sulfur oxide. It is acidic in nature, so it will turn the blue litmus into red. BRA. Okay, so correct answer is A here. Yugendran is correct. Yes. Muhammad Nawed. 11A, Mr. Anas, very good. Sulfur oxide, yes. Dina, very good. 11A, Vishwendra, very good. Sulfur oxide, Naved A. AMU entrance 9th. Okay, you are preparing for AMU entrance 9th. Yes, very good. For next year or this year? Mr. Anas, for this year 2021 or for 21-22? For which year you are preparing, Anas? Yes, we will check for question number 12. Which of the following property is not responsible for copper to be used as electrical conduction wire? Which of the following property is not responsible for the copper to be used as electrical conduction wires? We use copper electrical conduction wire. Why? Because they have properties. Ductility is a property. Good conductor of electricity is a property. It is solid. That's why we use. And this is the color. It doesn't matter which color you have. The wire, if you go to purchase a wire for your electrification of your house, you will not search the color of the wire. Yeah, covering color you can choose, covering of the wire, but the color of that metal you don't decide by the color of the metal. You will decide by the ductility. If you have less money, you will purchase aluminum wire. They have less price, and they are not very good for electrical conduction. They are less than copper. So copper is a very good conductor of electricity. So you purchase aluminum because of the less price. So you don't ask about the color. So color is nothing to do with the properties of electrical conduction. Okay. So for electrical conduction, ductility should be there. Why ductility? Because it will not break easily. Copper wire does not break easily. Aluminum wires breaks easily. If you turn 2, 3, 4 times aluminum wire, it will break. But if you take copper wire and if you turn it 2, 4, 10, 15 times, 20 times, 100 times, it will not break. Okay, so this is very good quality of electrical conduction. And good conduction, in the matter of conduction, copper has very good conduction of electricity, more than aluminum. Okay, and it is solid. So aluminum is also solid, copper is also solid. So nothing to do with color. So here color is not used as an electrical conduction wire. This property is not used. Okay, very good. Next we will see the question number 13. The two major non-metals which are present in fertilizers and enhance the growth of plant. Which non-metals are used as in a fertilizers, which is very good for enhancement of the growth of plants? Concentrate on the class, don't chat in WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp and chat there. Question number 13. Nitrogen, magnesium, sulfur, ammonia, phosphorus and nitrogen, none of these. Yes, if you see the fertilizers, if you see if you belong from villages, you will see NPK fertilizer is there, very popular fertilizer, NPK. Yes. What is this NPK? Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. K is for potassium. Okay, potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. Okay, so here it's asking only two non-metals, all are non-metals. So here, sorry, phosphorus and nitrogen is the non-metal which is used in fertilizers. It enhances the growth of plant. Okay, so complete fertilizer name is NPK. Okay, C is the correct answer. Very good. General Gaming YT. Yes. Sangharsh Patil, General Gaming YT have subscribed yours. I have subscribed your channel. Okay. Subscribe my channel also. Yes, we'll see the next question. Question number 14. Those who are new, please subscribe my channel and share this channel, share this link to your friends. Sangharsh Patil. Nikhil Pathak, I will pray to God that you get more and more success in your life and more happiness because you are doing a great job. Thank you. Okay, this question number 14. Which non-metal is used to disinfect water? Which chemical is used to disinfect water? 14A. Mr. Anas is saying 14A. Sangharsh Patil, I have subscribed your channel. Very good, thank you. Sangharsh Patil, okay, sir. Anas, chlorine. A. Gaming A. Dina is saying 14A. Yes, everybody knows nowadays. It's common in our houses. So chlorine in ad also you can see chlorine is used to disinfect water. It's very common nowadays. Before it was a question, but now it's general thing that chlorine is used to disinfect water. Very good. Everyone is correct. Now question number 15. The two major non-metals which are present in fertilizers. This is repeated. Okay, this is repeated. Now question number this one. A purple colored non-metal forms a brown solution in alcohol which is applied on wounds as an antiseptic. Name the non-metal. You don't have to name that chemical. That medicine is called betadine. So don't say betadine is the correct answer. It is asking the non-metal which is used in that solution. Yes, put question number also. Question number 16. Actually it is 15. 15 is repeated here. That's why I skipped that one. So there are 15 questions. This is last question of this. Second part is also there. Tomorrow we will see the second part of metal non-metals. Very important question will be tomorrow. These are the general questions which I asked today. Tomorrow it will be very special questions, most important questions and typical questions. You have to use your mind, not a daily routine questions. Okay, so just study it, metals and non-metals, and be prepared for tomorrow. Special 20 questions, special for Sainik school. Show all the 4 options. All 4 options are here. Okay, sorry. Oh. Wait. Yes. Now you can see. Muhammad Naved is saying iodine. Yogendran sir, show full screen. Yes, now it's showing. अनस ऑप्शन दिख नहीं रहा, नब ऑफ दिख रहा है. Iodine for 16, it's iodine. Yes, everyone is correct. These are general questions which I asked today. So be prepared for tomorrow. There will be a special 20 questions from the same chapter, 15 or 20 questions. A special only for means very important for All India Sainik School entrance examination class 9th. Tomorrow. Okay, so take care, be happy, do a study, don't waste your time in gaming. So gaming, don't waste your time in gaming, keep studying. Very less time is remaining now, only 58 days I think. Yes, only 49 days only for the test. So self-study is the best study. Just do practice. You can go on this site also, the sainikschool.online. The sainikschool.online. This is the site where you can have practice. You can have practice. You can see the score there. How many questions you make right, how many questions are wrong, and what are the correct answers. Okay, some science I don't say, but mathematics, they are very good questions for your practice. Okay, so take care, have a nice day, goodbye.